Double Bell 303 Pit Viper John Wick 4. Naka-metal slide, metal yung frame. So, naka-barrel weights. Ito yung pinaka parang pangil ng Viper. Ayan. And then, naka-fiber optic sights, front and rear sights with complete Viper markings, TTI markings, and then may under-rail na rin for attachment. Adjustable yung trigger, naka-enlarged magazine release. Magwell niya is with TTI markings. And then ito yung hammer, hammer pad protection. And then magazine is 26 rounds with TTI base plate. So kasama dun sa package is yung case. Ito may Continental card, Continental coin, nozzle, extra nozzle pag nasira yung nozzle nyo, and cleaning rod. So for the price, ang price nito is 4,800. Test natin. By the way, safety niya pala ito ambi.